channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing of... Shut up! The fuck up! Anyway, I'm gonna do an unboxing of Colourpop. Yes, I just got some Colourpop in the mail today, and I'm just really excited. I got it from their Black Friday shopping collection. Like, I got one from their collection. So I fucking love Colourpop because, first of all, they said I was gonna get it on Saturday, and today's Friday, Black Friday itself. So Colourpop got my back, unlike Jeffree Star. Jeffree Star is tripping on his website. I would never order from his website again. I love Jeffree Star as a person, but I would never buy from his website again because, first of all, once I order his stuff, which I'm gonna do a video, of course, coming soon. Well, probably not coming soon, probably coming in fucking 60 years because his shit never gonna come. I ordered something and now it says it's gonna ship in 10 days. It's gonna ship in 10 days. Like, what? Like, so this is what the box looks like. I have some goodies in here, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. So the first thing I see is the Soul Body Highlight, which I was so shook because I wanted this highlight because I saw Manny MUA use it on his video, and as soon as I saw it look that good, I had to get it. Like, I had to get it. Ain't no way in hell I wasn't. I love highlight. A whore likes to glow from fucking play. I love to use cum as a highlight. Like, come on, do it right here. Oh, yes. Like, period, mamas. Like, thank God I'm not monetized because that shit would have been like, no money tonight. Anyway, so yeah, this is what the box looks like. And it's a shimmering body powder. You're supposed to use it on your body, but ain't no rules in makeup. I could put this on my clit, hun. So anyway, this is what the inside looks like. It kind of reminds me of the Marc Jacobs like bronzer because of how big it is. And as soon as you open it, this is how big the pan is. It's huge. It's bigger than my ass. I don't got no ass. So yeah, this is what the pan looks like. It looks so pretty. It looks so like luxurious. And it was only $9. Colourpop said it was 30% off, I think, the whole site. So I got this for $9 instead of $12. So, oh, and it smells so good. It smells like fruit. Like, it smells like strawberry kiwi. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It smells so fucking good. I got this in the shade Warm Gold. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So, 1, 2, 3. It's so creamy. Oh my God, I'm ready for my fucking to evaporate. And this is what it looks like. Oh, look. Ow! 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 That's how good it is. Oh my God, look at this shit. Like, oh my God, are we fucking living or are we fucking dying? That's what I am right now. It's like a tiny bit darker than me. Bitch, I can make it work though. Don't get it twisted. I'm gonna use this tomorrow and I'll let you guys know what it is on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put it right here. So yeah, this is what the swatch looks like. On to the next product. The next product I have from Colourpop is something that made me want to buy it, like want to go shopping from them. It's the Dream Big monochromatic palette vault. I wanted these monochromatic palettes for a fucking long time. Ever since they came out, I wanted them. And I'm so happy I got them. I think it's $49 and by yourself is $12 each. So you're getting such a good deal. You're getting 6 monochromatic palettes for $49. Like, come on now, like, yeah, like, so you open her up like this, and it comes like this, and the cool thing is you open it up, like, you separate it, and it comes out, like, you roll it out. Like, it's so cool. Look how big it is. Look, it comes with all of them. Like, I'm gonna go one by one. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the inside, so let's keep on watching. So the one from the left is Main Squeeze. Is their watermelon palette, and it's basically the red tone palette. So this is what it looks like. First of all, it comes in here so you know it's real, bitch. You take it off, and this is it. I like how it comes with this. So even if I do, I can't blind you guys because, yeah. I'm not going to swatch them because I got something planned in the future with these palettes. So stay tuned. But yeah, this is what Main Squeeze looks like. All of her glory. And I just love it. I'm so excited I got these palettes now. Period. On to the next. Next one is Orange You Glad. It's the orange tone, obviously. And you know it's real, honey. Oh my god, orange things. It has a glitter in the middle. I love this. If I'm feeling my orange... This is everything and more. Like, so this is Orange You Glad. Uh-huh, honey. Yes, bitch. The yellow palette of the bunch. It's yellow. It's called Uh-huh, Honey. And yes, look at it. Oh my god, I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling lemon. I'm feeling twat, and I'm feeling rot with this palette. It has a glitter in the middle, just like the orange, and I'm fucking thriving. On to the next. Just my luck. Yes, girl, we live in the green fantasy. We living for the fucking orange St. Patrick's Day vibe. Yes, bitch, give me some plants vibes. Vegetarian. So this is the green one. It's so cute. Like, oh my god, I love it. Like, I love this middle shade. I think all, well, no. None of these have glitter in it, which is cool. I never had an all green tone palette, so I'm definitely gonna do a green tone look. Stay tuned for more. You already know the drill, honey. This is all the green colors. Let me focus on it. It is so cute. I hope you guys love. Can't wait to join. Just my luck, bitch. Staying with me, y'all. I get dick once in the blue moon, bitch. Yes, the blue moon. The blue moon palette from Colourpop. I can't wait. I love this. Is like, see, this is, I don't think I'm gonna buy the Blue Bud palette from Jeffree Star because I have this. This is all I need because like it's like dupeable. Like you got the dark blue, you got the light blue, you got the thingy right here that he has. Like, girl, I don't need the Blue Bud. I got this. So two light things. Anyway, so yeah, the blue blood. Oops, I mean, just my luck. Oops, I mean blue blood. I mean, oops, blue moon palette. Hi, it's my pleasure. The purple one. So yeah, this is the purple one, and this is the last one from the monochromatic series. And it's so fucking cute. Oh my god. The only thing I don't like about it is it doesn't have like a dark purple, like a plum. And like this one is a purple, a dark purple, but it's like a shimmer. Like, I love this color. I love this color. But I feel like I have this in my Carly Bible palette, the Mandala one. I love this color. I love purple eyeshadow, but I don't know how I feel about this one, to be honest. It's my pleasure. I don't think so. Aw, the color monochromatic that I have from the vault. I'm feeling my gay pride fantasy. I loved it. All right, on to the next product. So the last product that I got from the Colourpop Black Friday sale is the So Jaded palette with Kathleen Lights. Oh my god, I'm so excited because I always wanted this and I didn't have a chance to get it because it was so expensive. And it's only $27.50 with the 30% off. So oh my god, it was 39 and now it went down to 27. See, Colourpop be having y'all back. I fucking love Colourpop. Anyway, so let's open it up for the first time together. You guys are gonna see it first. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my god, guys. Look at it. It looks so much pretty in person. Oh my god. I love this color. Pearl? No, opal. Look at the glitters. Wait, I'm gonna see if you can see it. Oh my god, look at the glitters. Look at topaz. Is it topaz? It's topaz. Diamond. Oh my god. It looks so pretty. Oh, this green, what's it called? Emerald. Oh my god, this one right here is called Smoky Quartz. I am definitely gonna do a video review with it. Definitely. I'm not gonna not do a review on it. I'm definitely gonna do a video, swatches and everything on this palette. I'm not gonna swatch it until I do my video. So all first impressions when it comes to me. So I'm so fucking excited for this shit. I'm like, oh my god, like I have this in my hands. This is so crazy. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I love the glitters. I think that's like my favorite thing. I love opal. I think opal is my favorite. And I know diamond is a super shock shadow. The one in the corner right here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, all these colors look so fucking pretty. And for all the illiterate people who kept on saying this is period. No, bitch, it's peridot. Know y'all crystals. Anyway, I'm done, period. Yeah, guys, these are all the products that I got from my Colourpop Black Friday haul. So if you guys want to see what I do with these products, like this video, and you already know what I do, honey. If you like this video, you already know what I do. You already know what I do, honey. Give me a big okay, guys, I love you guys so much. And yeah, guys, I love you, my moon babies.